Are you one of the many individuals planning to pursue a bachelor's degree in the UK but unsure of where to start or what is the UCAS application process? Don't worry, we got you covered. Hi, my name is Sanchita Gupta. I'm the founder of CLBS Institute, and today I'll guide you step by step how to apply in the UCAS portal. So let's get started. But first, let me explain it to you in a moment. What is UCAS? Well, UCAS is a central application system for undergraduate admissions to the UK universities. Now let's head straight away to the computer screen. Step 1. Create an account. First, visit www.ucas.com and click on sign in, and then you have to select register and fill in your details such as email address, name and password. You will receive an email from UCAS with the 6-digit code to verify your account. After verification, the portal is going to ask you a few questions about your preferred subject areas, your intake year, your school, and whether you're applying independently or through a school. So let's fill in all the details. Step 2. Start your application. On the home page, click on Start Application to open a new web page. There are 4 sections to complete: choices, profile, personal statement and references. You will also see an Add Buzzword tab, which is used if you're applying through a UCAS registered center or school. If you're applying independently, you can ignore this option. Step 3. Add choices. Now you can apply up to 5 programs at 5 different universities. If you want to apply to 2 programs in one university, that counts as 2 choices. Please remember that. Now here's how to add a program. Click on the Add Choice, search for the university course, location, start date and point of entry. After adding all the choices, click Mark as complete. Step 4. Personal details. Fill in your personal details in the relevant tab. Once done, click Mark this section as complete and save the section. Step 5. Nationality details. In this section, answer questions about your country of birth, nationality, and whether you have dual nationality. Mark the section as complete and save it. Well, if you need any help in visa application or LOR or documentation, then feel free to ping me up on WhatsApp and we will guide you through the entire application process. Step 6. Contact and residency details. Add your contact and residency details, then mark the section as complete and save. Step 7. Supporting information. Specify if you ever lived or worked in Europe or Switzerland, if you have a relative who is an EU or Swiss citizen. Complete the section and save it. Next, finance and funding. Select the option relevant to your financial situation, then mark the section as complete and save. Next, education. Add your 12th class details. Now, if your school is not listed, you can manually add it. You have to select the start and end dates, type of study, full-time, and pending qualification if your final results are not yet available. Add your highest level of qualification and mark the section as complete. Next, employment. If you have any internships or work experience, add them here. Provide the company name, role, address, start and end date, and whether it was full-time or part-time. Save and mark this section as complete. Personal statement. Now your personal statement is limited to 4,000 characters, so choose your words wisely. Write your statement in a word processor like MS Word and then copy and paste it into the UCAS application. Save and preview your statement for sure. Well, hope you're not facing any issues with writing a personal statement. Just in case you are, then feel free to ping me on WhatsApp and we will guide you through it. References. Add full details of your referee, including their job title, organization, address and email. Inform your referee in advance that you will need their reference. You can request the reference by clicking on the Request Reference tab. Well, now we come to the last step, review, pay and submit. Now once all the sections are complete, review your application and pay the application fee and submit your application. And that's it, we are done. I hope this video was super helpful. Please let me know what are the topics you'd like me to cover in the next video. Thanks for watching.